this one. Do you remember this one?
Sure.
Snarl.
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 Okay, the sound made by the animal. Yeah. Angry groan. Okay.
Angry growl.
Snarl. Snarl. Snarl.
Snarl. Look.
Mule.
Mew.
Mule.
Meow.
Mule.
No, mew.
Okay, can spell
M-U-L-E, mew.
meal. Okay, there's a meal. Okay, it's meal. Okay, it's not a horse, not a donkey. Okay, it's a mule.
The mews. Cats. Street.
Mule usually can't walk for very long. What is that? What's that?
Mew.
Mule. Mule.
Mew.
Mule.
Mew.
Can spell it?
M-U-L-E, mew.
Strain.
Strain. Strain.
Strain.
Strain.
Strain.
Strain.
Can spell it?
S-T-R-A-I-N. Strain.
Maybe a cause to pass through a strain. Let me see. What is this? Strain forward, strain. Strain forward. Move forward. Stretch beyond. Stretch to the maximum extension. I think this one. I think there's an exit. Okay.
How to
Strain.
by ear to hear.
Okay.
Strain.
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 Struggle. Okay.
Struggle.
Yeah, I think.
Walk.
So the muse.
Strained. Forward. So.
Strongly.
Strong.
Strong. Okay, you know strong. Strong is an adverb. Strong is an adjective.
Strong. Horse.
Stomping.
Stomping.
Cold stomping. Harness.
Harness.
Okay, harness is the things on his body. Yeah, that's harness. See, this harness. Yeah, that's a harness. What's that?
Strain.
Yeah, struggle.
Strain.
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 Strain. Harness.
Harness.
harness,
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 Okay, a set of things to use to control animal. Okay,
harness, harness,
okay. Harness.
a
Set of straps that are placed on an animal so it can pull something heavy.
free,
harness,
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 Casper.
harness, harness,
Yeah, this is the harness. Okay,
Sh-
the harness jingling.
jiggle,
Okay. Jingling. What's that?
harness,
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 Jingle.
jingle,
Jingle.
jingle,
Jingle.
jingle,
Jingle.
to make or cause something to make a light
Raining.
sound.
Okay. Jingling.
Jingle.
Jingle,
Jingle.
jingle,
Jingle.
jingle,
Yeah.
bells jingle and the
Distance.
distance.
Okay.
Jingle.
Jingle,
Casper.
Jingle, jingle.
Okay, jingle. Jingle.
To
Yeah. Tinkle.
tinkle, rain,
Rain. Yeah. The harness jingling.
Jingle.
jingle,
Jingle.
jingle,
So the harness probably they have some little small bells on the harness.
harness, jingle,
Jingling.
jingle, the
Blades.
up the
Oh, okay, I see. Okay. I think even now they still use it. Yeah, that you see. Yeah, this is the iron blade. Okay, they use harness to pull it, right? Oh. What's that?
jiggle,
Jingle.
jiggle,
Jingle.
jiggle,
Jingle.
jiggle,
Make a jingle sound. Jingling. Okay. Jingling. Okay.
plow,
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 Okay, used to turn over the soil. Okay.
plow,
plow,
Okay.
P-L-O-W, plow,
Okay, plow. See, it's a turn the soil, then so then they can plant things on it, right? That's a plow. So the iron blade of the
plow,
sand, you like sing the past tense of
sing,
joyously.
joyously,
Okay, happily. Has R? Oh yeah, it does have joyously. What's that?
plow,
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 Joyous.
joyous,
Joyous.
joyous,
Joyous.
joyous, joyous,
joyous,
joyous, feeling, cause,
causing,
or showing great happiness, joyful,
yeah, joyful,
a joyful day,
a joyful day,
joyous,
joyous,
joyous.
joyous,
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 Can spell,
joyous, joyous,
yeah,
joyful, adjective,
good, joyously. Okay, the iron blade of the plow sang
joyously, as it ripped up the most
no,
moist
okay,
black
Kansas.
Kansas
Kansas is a state, okay, Kansas state. Black Kansas
earth with a soft
crunch sound. Okay, crunch, you eat something, crunch. Crispy, crunchy. Crunch. What's that?
joyous,
Good.
joyous,
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 joyous, joyful,
crunch,
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 crunch, make the loud sound of something
Being crushed. Okay.
the snow crushed,
Crunched.
crunched,
Underfoot.
underfoot,
crunch,
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 Okay, can spell.
CRENCH, crunch,
Okay. The sound made when something hard is being chewed. Okay.
the crunch of someone eating a carrot,
Okay. That's
crunch,
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 can spell.
CRUNCH, crunch,
Okay, that's crunch sound. Okay. The iron blade of the plow sang joyously as it ripped up the moist, black Kansas earth with a softer,
crunch sound, turning it over and long, smooth root,
wind. What does that mean? Rectangles. What the word is root wind? Okay, that's root wind. What's this?
crunch,
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 Root
Crunch.
wind. The root vent is kind of like that. Yeah, the root vent like that. Okay. Root vent.
rectangles,
Okay. Nether.
leather lines tied together over his left shoulder and under his right arm.
Jeff.
Jeff
What the hell is that?
Sandal by chest.
Like that. Throws up.
Crunch.
Good. I think we can stop here.
Again, I
Stop
will
here.